What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, as always, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. In today's video, I am doing just a short quick review of this Belle nail drill that I got from Amazon, and this thing I think is going to be my new favorite drill. But here you see me opening up the box. This is the instructions. It tells you how to put it together, how to change out your drill bits. But if you've ever had a drill, I'm sure they all work pretty much the same as far as changing that out. So it's all the same. This came with a Belle nail file. And here you see me taking out the body, I guess you call it, of the drill itself. And I'll show you, yes, it is a US plug. I wanted to make sure of that. And here's the top. Those holes are for your drill bits if you care to store them there. And that is your on-off switch, your on light, and that is to turn the power up or down. This one has that knob. And on the front there you have your forward and reverse, and that is where you plug in your handpiece for the drill. And then we'll put that aside for now. And this is the foot pedal. They always come with the foot pedal. I swear I never use that thing. I don't think I'd be comfortable using it. I don't know, but I never use one. But that's where it plugs into at the back of the drill if you did want to use that. And on the back you can switch between the hand and the foot pedal. There's a switch. That's the first I've seen that. Usually it's just a plug-in, but that's the first I've seen that. And then here in this box we have the handpiece that goes with the drill. I do want to say this drill feels like really good quality. It does not feel cheap. It does not, I mean, it was $49.99 on Amazon, and I mean, it's really good quality. I do have to say, it feels nice and heavy duty, not light and cheap. I mean, it feels really good. I really do have to say that. I bought another one. I have one of those portable ones, and I paid the same amount for it, and this one feels a lot better than that one. I'll put a link down below for both of them too if you're interested, for the portable one that I have and for this one, and then you can look at them and see the difference. But this one here is just a stand for the handpiece if you want to use that, and it also came with that for the to hold the handpiece, and I'll show you how that attaches in a minute. That's what that finger was for. And then here are some sanding bands. Now here you see me putting on that holder for the handpiece, and you can put it on the right or the left. There's a slot for it, so if you're right-handed, left-handed, you can put it on either side. And you see me put it, that's how you put it in there, and you'll see me here plugging that in to the front. And that's where it plugs in. And I was gonna try to use these bits to put them in here just to show you, but that sucker was taped down pretty good, so I didn't want to fidget with it to try to get it open. So you'll actually see me use my own drill bits in there just to show you, how they go in and what they're supposed to look like in there. So I go ahead and fill all the holes just so you can see. It holds, what's that, 6 of them? So there you go. That's how they go in there. That's 6 of them. Those back real quick. Continue on with the rest. Alright, so there's the plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Oh, I'm going to show you the handpiece first. My bad. So I'm just showing you how you turn that pink part on the handle to remove the your drill bit, and that's just a piece that comes in all drill bits. It has that that little piece in there. It's just to store, I guess. So you see me putting in, I took off the sanding band off of mine and I stuck it in there, turned it back to the right to lock it in place. And then I'm gonna go ahead and replace the sanding band with another one just so you can see how that goes on there. See if I can get the bag open. Hello. Alright, so that goes on there. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so we can hear how this thing sounds and see how it works. So I'm just undoing the plug here and I'm going to go ahead and plug her in. I should have probably cut all that out, huh? But sorry guys. But anyways, okay, so I've got it plugged in and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And then you'll hear you'll be able to hear how it sounds. It's very quiet. I mean, the other one I have is a lot louder than this and it's smaller. So I hope you guys could actually hear that. It was, I mean, the thing is so quiet. Like I couldn't barely get the camera to pick up the sound of it. It's way, like I said, quieter than the other one that I have, and the other one is smaller. So I really like that about this. I don't have a whole bunch of loud noise. But here I'm showing you, I also got from the same company some extra sanding bands. This came in a pack of 3 and there's 100 of each. So there's 120 grit, 80 grit, and then 180 grit. And there I'm just showing you those. So I have extras for when I need them. I did get those on Amazon too, so I'll post the link in the description for those. But yeah, that's basically the drill. Like I said, this is really good. I would definitely recommend this drill. It's heavier than I thought it would be, but I think that's good. That means it will stay in place on your table, unlike the small one that I have already, which is very light and it slides all over the place. But anyway, I'm just showing you again all the stuff that came with it. Just one more time, the extra sanding bands, the drill bit pieces that also has sanding bands in there. And yeah guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching.